Welcome to another day. As you don't know, Team Adverscape or the Rough Jam. You can say Max Gather. Yeah, you know, say Alex, right? With the Rough Jam, we have much up some food. Welcome to the kitchen. Right? Oh.
I'm not getting none. Where's yours? Yes, thank you. But I'm not gonna get it around you.
I don't like her. I'm in that character for time. No, but I'm going to be good.
You know, when our next birthday party is?
No, Susan. We just have a fun day.
My party is on Thursday, so it's another birthday party at Christmas.
So pretty zine with a Rough Jam. We are going by the river right now. They do up there already. We have to run for the camera. Chef Chris has chef up some chicken, some jerk chicken and some stew fish and some fried fish. So you don't know say, oh, steam fish too. You don't know say a mad thing. So Lena and my friend, yeah, them do up at the river. And Derek, Zimmy, Atta Blacks there, you don't know say a mad thing. So, while I walk on the camera, shaky. So you walk go on the water. Just free this. Rough Jam with it. So free, so we're done with the river, see? We'll go back for some food. Selena there. I go to Chef Chris go out in the kitchen. If him don't burn up the chicken.
Yes!
Yeah, so we're ready back here. So we are put on serious to see what go on in the kitchen. See what Chef Chris go out with. Chris, Atta Blacks.
Oh, yeah, man. I wait for the food, you know. Well hungry, you see? Well,
yeah.
Food.
You know, only drink all natural Catherine Speak water. No additives.
The only natural catering thing. And I'm drink some a while ago. A long time ago, I drink about. Eh?
Yeah, man, so them know how it.
No, for real. Yeah, this water was discovered by Christopher Columbus. I mean, good water for drink. The only spring water in our world jug. Yeah. Natural. Really official. See you there? This Adverscape I start off on the bus.
I tell us we just mash up the river, you know.
So the river man.
Yeah man, we just mash up the river, man. See Derek, yeah? Derek, tell Chris the river go on.
Cooking this and on your meals. Remember I have a TV show named Yamins, you know? We are called this cooking.
Yo, people, when you see them things you live with every day, every time I go to them side I sit there and go on, you know. So, if you're not part of Adverscape, if you're not an Adverscaper, then if you become an Adverscaper, no. Chris, stop eating all the food. People look there. Chris, I eat all the food.
I'm me to eat it all and me cook it.
Yeah, but people are going to want some food when it's done, you know. Yeah, cheers too heavy.
Hi, good day.
We'll do the interview.
Alright, sorry boss.
Well, we are here, live here at Rough Jam today at Adverscape TV. And we have one of the employees of Susan. She's here with us today, gonna tell us about Rough Jam. So tell us a little about Rough Jam.
Hello, I'm Valentine, I'm from France. Big up Adverscape.
Yo,
so we're done with the kitchen then. So we're there. Susan and try run. Susan! Yo, stop running from the camera now.
Come have a seat. Nice studio. It's bigger than on stage, you know. Alright. Welcome everybody to Adverscape TV. This is your host, Atta Blacks.
Yo, so I'm here say Chris share food down in the kitchen. You see me I say, I'm happy to go down to my share. Because I'm not dead for hungry today. Yo. Alright, so I go in the kitchen here. Yeah. Chef Chris done. As a black still there wait.
Nah, left.
I lie.
Left from side of the chef, you know.
A black food. Yeah. Steamed fish and everything.
Alright,
Just a come off a tour too, you know.
out of black steam that, you know? Yeah,
Don't tell them that me just a come off a tour. Don't tell them.
Tell them what I go on now.
Just a come off a tour, people. See? Here what now? Me don't get to tour no state. Or no island.
We tour Jamaica now. How you mean? Yo,
So
me.
Chronic said knee feel weak, so we line up to some spirulina. I don't know Moko, I well want to know when you Moko, you know. I need to know that place. I wish I find Moko. Clarendon. Moko, I'm coming at you. I'm watching this weekend Adverse Scale.
Yeah man, we're there,
This
we're there,
weekend,
not necessarily in a coach, but we're there Sentan. Yeah, hold on.
So we not go where mountain name with them skate off of?
No,
Mystic Mountain.
Mountain.
No.
That's in a Ochi though.
Yeah.
I need to go that place to still enough. Mystic Mountain. I always a dream about that little bit.
we were reaching with you.
Oh, you're nice.
Near stage, go there.
So I see Chris. Nah, see Chris. I see Chris.
Zip line.
When we go up this still enough.
Man look like you are.
But right now, Chef Chris, you get a 10 out of 5. You win. Bad. Is messy. So, Eilina, how was your dinner?
It was great. It was awesome.
At a blacks, left some of my bone for your dog, no my youth.
Disturb the thing, you see me?